Okay, everyone know the ChatGPT. So what is the ChatGPT? So this is a AI tool. So let's make a cool things with the ChatGPT. We are here the 3.5 version, not ChatGPT 4. Okay, this is the free version. So this tutorial with ChatGPT, we will build a plugin with ChatGPT. Okay, so let's find a prompt for the plugin. Okay, so hit search here, and this is the prompt for the creating WordPress plugin. Select here and type some keyword. That's mean type about the plugin features and plugin name. Okay, I copied some text in the previous video. Okay, for now make a name, and plugin name is both name is done, and just click here. So this AI will make a code for us, and we can easily build a plugin for our WordPress. Okay, so now here, and this is the code, and copy everything from here, and let me copy. Okay, this is the copied. Now open any code editor from your desktop or Mac, and here the code editor we already tested here, but remove it, and I'm accepting. Now open again. Okay, paste the code here and make it choose PHP. Okay, so you can change your name here, it will be show or not. Skin on here, and that's the code. Now save it. Click on the save and make a folder. Create a folder, and now here type group name now without space. Okay, must be at the PHP extension here .php, and then save it. It's done. Now I close it, and here the folder. Okay, make it zip file here, and this is the zip file. That means this is our plugin. Now open a browser with the WordPress login here, and add new. Upload the plugin. Okay, choose and go to desktop, and here the zip file. Open and click on install button. It will take some time to upload, and it's done. Now click on activate. You can see this plugin is now activated. This is book me now and built by the Max Canon. You can also customize this text. Also you can add more feature and more your website link or your bio link or GitHub link. So we will do it in the next tutorial. Okay, for the more creative plugin or more complicated and more functional plugin. Okay, so that's the video.